Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you are doing very well wherever you are. Today I have brought you a lesson in German. The German words which are similar to Hindi, and you will be very happy to know that some of the words you are using in your Hindi language and you don't ever knew that they are the same words which are used in German language also. Even Germans don't know about that, and in India, even Hindi, we don't know about that. This is actually a German word. So we will discuss today that, and I hope you will like the list. Number one word which made me very happy first time I went to the supermarket here in Germany, this was ananas, and I was so happy. Oh, it is called ananas in German as well, and in Hindi also it is called ananas. In English we call it pineapple, and it is very much favorite of so many people here. So Germans don't know that ananas is actually a Hindi word also, and in India I don't think many people know that kindergarten is also a German word. Actually it is a German word. Kinder means children and garten means garden. So garden of children is called kindergarten. Then the word is handy. Handy we use so many times in India. It is used for mobile phones, and in Germany it is a German word handy because it is come in the hand, right? So they call it handy. It is a German word. One word which is used so much common nowadays whenever I read English newspaper or something article in English, it is used so much. It is called Schadenfreude. Schadenfreude is a German word, and it means that if someone is injured, we get a joy out of it, right? We forget our problem. We are so happy that okay, the other people also had a loss, or he also lost something, or his also house is burning. So we will forget that our house is burning, but we will be happy that okay, it's okay, our neighbor house is also burning. So that is called Schadenfreude, that when you are happy when other person is getting injured or other person is suffering loss. One another word which is commonly used nowadays in English language, and people use it so much, it is called Wanderlust. Wanderlust is a German word. Wander means to go for walking and to go for roaming around and visiting places, and lust means interest. So if you have interest in visiting places, just roaming around, walking like that, wandering around, then it is called Wanderlust, and people don't know that it is actually a German word. Then is doppelganger. Doppelganger, I also read a lot about this in English articles, and it is a German word. Doppel means double. Doppelganger, like people say that nowadays, like okay, Ranbir Kapoor doppelganger is what, and who is a doppelganger of Tom Cruise. So it's like that, like who looks alike. Then the word is Blitzkrieg. Blitzkrieg is also used so much, and it is a German word. Blitz means like a lightning. Blitz is also used a lot actually in English nowadays, like a blitz, like blitz news, like lightning, like as a lightning news, breaking news has come. And Krieg means war. So like when there is war at the lightning speed, so something fast happens, and it is called Blitzkrieg. Another word is angst. Angst means scare, when you have a scare of something, you are a bit scared about doing something, you have some anxiety, that's what angst is used, and angst is also a German word. Then there is word yeah. We say it a lot in India, right, in Hindi, that yeah. In English you call it with Y, A you use it, but in German J is called actually pronounced as Y. So yeah, we spell it like J-A. So that is how it is, and it is actually a German word. Then there is kaput. Kaput means which has gone spoiled or which has gone rotten, and okay, then they also use it that okay, this relationship has gone kaput. Actually it is a German word which means that it has gone bad. Then another word which in India we used a lot, like we are carrying a bag and we call it rucksack. Rucksack, I don't know, we used this word a lot, and actually this is a German word. Ruck means back and sack means bag. So backpack is called rucksack, and it is actually a German word. Then there is word called Panzer. Panzer is actually tanks, war tanks, big tanks German army used to use, and Panzer is used for that. And in English also they call it Panzer, but actually it is a German word. Then there are some words which, they are commonly used in both languages, like Name, name, Adresse. We pronounce it like Adresse in German, but in English it is called address. Then Pretzel. In German also, their pretzel are very famous, and everywhere in the world people eat pretzels a lot. Then there was a word called sauerkraut. Sauerkraut is a very very healthy food. It is like fermented cabbage, it is a German word, and it is a very famous German side dish. So these were the list of some of the words which are commonly used in other languages but are actually German words. So I hope you like this list, and I'm sure there will be some words which you will think I forgot to mention, though I tried my best. But if you think I forgot to mention something, please write to me in the comment box. If you like this vlog, please hit the like button, and your motivation I need a lot. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. I try my best to bring to you useful vlogs, and your support will mean a lot to me and will motivate me to bring more useful vlogs for you. I will see you in my next vlog. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay happy, and stay blessed. Bye bye.